Kainin niyo yun, ah.
Yeah, that's how Mao eats. Unbelievable.
Naubos na namin yung isa.
And this is what we have. I mean, you can see, puro si Mau lang kumain yan, promise.
Oh, no.
Ang sarap kumain, grabe. Say hi, Maui.
Hi. Mm. Naumal tayo.
Mm.
Pwede na pang commercial, ah.
Ang sarap, sarap. Carlo, paano ka kumain? O, yun nga. Yun lang yun.
Mm.
Break it!
Mm.
Mm.
Kasi yun.
Grabe. Unbelievable.
Water, please. Kapal. Sandwich. Mm.
Sige, tayo. Kita mo yung plato niya. As in, yung buto. Pinakailang butong chicken.
4 pa lang yan.
4 na piraso. 4 na piraso.
Ayun pa, oh, meron pa. Walang breadstick, sayang.
Grabe, ngumuya ako. Sige, nguya-nguya. And, yeah, that's my plate.
Richard, diet.
Right.
Sure.
Whatever, food is good.
Rice.
Grabe, oh, right.
Mawalang pambayad.
Mapakay gutom ang puta yun sa may layas eh. Kaya we'll be back. Pangay na.
Hugas na yung plato.
Maya-maya hugas plato na yan.